Actually extremely excited because for many years we've only shopped in Zara abroad, and finally to have Zara back home in my own city here, and one of my favorite brands, I think it's extremely special. And of course, like to thank the entire Zara team for actually inviting me to open their first store. So thank you to all you guys, and to, of course, the entire press who's made it here today, because it's a really special day for me, and I think to all of the youth of our city, men, women, children, because we truly love and adore Zara, truly do. Well, in terms of fashion, I think Zara represents casual chic, which is my personality. As far as the movie goes, I think I haven't seen the film, but I'm sure the clothes are spectacular. But obviously, right now, I would only want to talk about Zara and how wonderful it is and what it means to actually one of us. I'm sure you and me both. I think what I like most about Zara is the fact that it has amazing prices. It's very attractive to the entire youth, very reasonable. And I think what's going to happen in this store, which I think is very important for everyone to know, is that twice a week they're going to refill their stuff with absolutely new items, which is going to be splendid. I don't know if any other store does it, but Zara is going to be doing it back here in Bombay, and I think that's great. I think it's absolutely great. I mean, from their TRF section, which is the casual wear, to their dresses, they're easy to wear, plus they're reasonably priced. I mean, what more do you want for a Mumbaikar who's shopping? Well, I haven't seen the collection, the entire stores yet, but I'm crazy about their TRF wear, like their t-shirts and their pants and jackets and stuff. I mean, that's the way I like to dress, of course. So I'm going to, of course, take a look and decide. I think denims are really in now, especially because it's summer, and jumpsuits are extremely comfortable. I'm sure it's going to be a sellout with the college-going crowd, and of course, hoping to wear one of them in my movies as well. Well, like I said, I think Zara's casual yet chic. I mean, it's not like the extreme couture style, which is, I mean, it's so good to look at, but I mean, you can't really wear them. Whereas Zara, I think, is one of the few brands which you can kind of like something, see it, and wear it, whether it's day or night. And that's what, that's what I like about Zara. I mean, I'm in a lovely pink Zara outfit, and it goes, for the day as well as for the night. And that's what's unique about it. I basically wear what I like, and what's most important is that I should be comfortable.